Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create or generate bill invoice in Excel. So if you are using Microsoft Excel, you can learn how to generate bill invoice. Okay, here you will see I have created these columns: name of items, okay, bill number, rate, quantity, and this is the amount. Okay, now here you will see this is total, GST 18%, and grand total. Okay, so how to generate this? So what you have to do, hey, here I have used many formulas to generate this, so I'm just going to create a new sheet. Okay, and then I will create a whole invoice. Okay, so what you have to do, first I'm going to zoom this out. Okay, so you can see clearly. Okay, so what you have to do here, just select three cell, first three column. Okay, then three or four column, then merge and center. No, not merge and center. You have to just click on this and just now merge and center. Okay, select one row and then another row and merge and center. Now here you have to enter the company name. Okay, so as my company name is ABC Private Limited. Okay, you can enter according to your company name. Then here you have to just enter the address. I'm just going to enter a random address. Okay, then here bill invoice. Okay, now you have to just select first five columns, and then here you have to just click on this table. Okay, now in first, here you have to just type bill number, items, name of the item. Okay, then rate, and then quantity, and then amount. Okay, so now I am just going to copy, make it bold letter and fill the color. Then I'm just going to copy it, bill number, name of item, from this previous sheet. You can type according to your item name and bill number. Then here I'm going to just copy the rate also from that. Okay, rate and quantity, and then I'm just going to enter it. Here you will see I have an extra row. I have to delete this one, so I'm just choose no border. Okay, now and upper top border. Okay, now you have to create, just choose two or three column again, and now just all borders. Now again merge and center both columns. Okay, merge and center, and then merge and center. Okay, now here you have to enter total. Okay, then here GST 18%. Okay, then again I have to merge and center this, and then again enter grand total. So I will show you the formula which I used to find out the amount and total, GST and grand total. Okay, so here amount is equals to rate into quantity. That will be the amount. Okay, then copy this. Now here you have to enter total, so equals to, now total will be, here you can use equals to option to sum, or you can just choose the select the cell, and then here you will see in the corner here sum, click on sum. Now it will add all the sum. Okay, now GST, for GST, to find out GST you have to enter formula equals to into total into 18%. Okay, total into 18%, 18 divided by 100. Now this will be the GST. Okay, then grand total, the grand total should be equals to, then total minus GST, total minus GST. Now enter. So like this you can create a bill invoice in Excel. So if you like the video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.